performance is not the only factor in Samsung's next big move. Restoring balance, power, and personalization to the Galaxy Squad is the goal. Additionally, Samsung may be achieving Apple-style supremacy with a distinctively Samsung twist for the first time ever. According to reports, Samsung is returning to its roots by offering region-based hardware variations, something that fans have been lacking for almost 10 years. Consider alternative RAM, storage, and now dual Snapdragon chips. 2 Snapdragon 8 series CPUs will be used by Samsung in the Galaxy S26 lineup. Among them is Qualcomm's most ambitious chip to yet, the potent new Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This is similar to a normal processor update. Targeting Apple's supremacy in AI and performance per watt, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 is anticipated to shatter records with its next-generation NPU and performance enhancements. Additionally, Samsung can more successfully target budget points without sacrificing performance because to the second Snapdragon chip. And here's the real deal. One UI 8.5 is now undergoing background testing. According to early insiders, it's faster, lighter, and smoother than One UI 8.0, with improvements meant to give the Galaxy S26 series an even more upscale experience. Although Samsung has not yet provided an official confirmation, the indications are unmistakable. We are at the brink of something significant. The Galaxy S26 Edge. According to recent leaks, it may have a 4,400 mAh battery, which is an astounding 200 mAh greater than earlier estimates. It is anticipated that the Galaxy S26 Pro, a brand new model in the series, will also have a 4,300 mAh battery. These modifications indicate Samsung's attempt to more effectively balance shape, weight, and battery life overall, even though neither will be able to match the S26 Ultra's 5,000 mAh beast. We're only getting started, as Ice Universe has promised more confirmed developments in the near future. Samsung is simultaneously reviving long-forgotten tactics, introducing numerous Snapdragon CPUs, intelligently adjusting battery life, and developing One UI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.